Hello, L4DDarkVampRaven here with the sexy one over there. This is the first video I'm doing of an unboxing. I don't do unboxing videos, but I'm doing this just to take the piss, and because Zach's done a completely lot, so yeah. Many of you might know my Xbox died, not rigging to death, the disc tray kind of like fucked, so I bought a new one. It's just arrived just today, so I'm going to need help to undo this. Once again, webcam quality. Anyway, this is the old box, old Xbox. As you can see, I had a fight with it, but I'm keeping it, even though this tray. Sorry for the lightness and the gamma. Yeah, look at that. Wave. Thank you. Right. Now I've got to set this up where we can get into it. That's what she said. Okay, right, there's the box. And if you look closely, it has a very lovely little smiley face on it. Oh shit. Gotta bring this round. As you can see, nice little smiley. Didn't come with the package, obviously not. Okay, right, let's get into this then. How are we going to do this? If I put this up here. Okay, right. It's like Christmas! Where did the knives go? Where are the knives? Oh, have we lost the knives? Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, outtake. Lost the fucking knife. Oh, there they are. Right, we're going to use this and use a penknife. I'll give the penknife to you. That would work if I knew what one was the fucking knife. Is that the biggest one? That's what she said. What the fuck is that? Ow, shut up, whatever the fuck it is. Give me money. Well, you take that. I'll take this. And we'll go to town. Cut by the edges of it so we can just get into it. I think this is a bit over wrapped, to be honest, but probably get in there, there'll be no styrofoam whatsoever. Got my finger. Okay, right, I think we're in here. We're in, that's what she said. It's actually an official box as well. Okay. I would help if you've got scissors, but use the next best thing. Doesn't matter if I destroy the box. Okay, it says jump in. Well, we can't jump in. There's a bit. It's like multicoloured, isn't it? What colour are you? Are you colourblind for this video? It's stuck over here. I don't know why. Oh, do you reckon it comes up to... Ah, okay, here we go. Ah! Yeah, there we go. Let's get this open. I don't want to be the poor cunt that spent an hour of his life masterfully taking this up. It's still going, Deirdre. Yep, 6 hours to go. Just fucking passing it out. It's going to Santa. It's fucking stuck on something there. I don't know what. Oh shit! I'm just destroying the whole fucking box. I don't need to return this because. Like, sorry about the box. Ah, okay, there we go. Okay, we're in. She cracked it. In there. Fucking load of that. Look at this. Mate. Oh, my wrist! Yeah. Oh. I've got enough a bit of bubble wrap. Oh. Sounded worse than that fucking metallic flying on SmackDown. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's actually encased in bubble wrap, as you can see there. I could probably chuck it out the window and it probably still wouldn't be fine. So it probably would have done fuck all. Okay, let's take all this off. It's a shame to destroy the bubble wrap, really. Don't want to get in deep there. That's what she said. I mean, that's what she said, jokes that I made doing this. About 3 of them. Right, there we go. God, they really take extra precaution, don't they? So glad I didn't have Royal Mail delivering this to me. Oh, God. Probably might, yeah. Right, be careful, be careful, be careful. I won't have to pull it and parts start coming out. Okay, there we go, it's becoming too loud. Hold that, hold. Yeah. I love that stuff. How much masking tape did this fucker use? Have to go out like, what? Put masking tape on the shopping bill. I wouldn't have thought bubble wrap was so hard to get into. Oh, a nice little slot for the hard drive. Ah, there we go. If I drop this, I'm going to be extremely pissed. Right, there he is, a sexy one. It's I think it's a cool one, I'm not really sure. I thought I get loads of comments on this saying, yo, you should have got an elite, oh, you should have got a fucking slim, oh, I should have gone and fucking killed your mother. I don't care, I don't want the slim, I wanted an elite, but unfortunately I'm not fucking, there's not a money tree outside my house, so I can't grow it. There's no hard drive, all I wanted was it? Yeah, a little bit of rustling in there, can you hear that? Ooh, damn it. Got a white button instead of a silver button. My one had a silver button, I think it had a silver rim as well, yeah, it had a silver rim. This one has just a white rim, so I think it is a core, as you can see there. A little bit of dirty on the back. It's HDMI accessible, as you can see. Anyway, so yeah, that'll be it. So here's the new beauty, hopefully it will work. If it won't, I'm going to be extremely pissed. So let's put them back in the box. And that includes Dynamite crack. Alright. So yeah, so I didn't want the slim because I wanted to, you can transfer all the memory from my hard drive, but I didn't really want to do that. So I wanted an elite, but I just didn't, they were still going around £200 just for a new one. So I didn't really want that. God, it is. I tidied up this room to fucking make a bigger mess. Right, well, that is the end of an unboxing. I don't know about you, but I'm fucking worn out. Well, I've done is unbox it, and we still have the smiley face intact, just there, and that's how happy I am that I got a new one. Hello, goodbye, thanks for watching. It's kind of an Irish accent now, wasn't it? Apparently the face is Irish, so there we go. Oh shit.